Hi, today we have for you a quick paper circuit tutorial. For this project, I used paper, copper foil tape, which is both adhesive and conductive, a white 20 milliamp LED, and a CR2032 3-volt button battery. Today I decided to draw my own design, but there are also a couple of paper circuits available for download if you'd rather go that route. Once you're happy with your sketch, you're going to cut out a hole where you want the LED to be. You can also use a hole punch, but I didn't have one on me. Now you want to fold your paper in half and trace this hole onto the back side of the paper. Now you're going to take your LED and you'll notice that one side is longer than the other. That's the positive side. I like to make the other side a little bit shorter so it's easier to tell when I'm working. Now you're going to bend your LED leads out like this. Now you're going to open up your card and take your copper taping and you're going to peel off the paper backing and reveal the adhesive, and you're going to paste it down in this shape and then fold over the corner like this so that you can close the circuit around the battery. A lot of tutorials online have you tape down your LED with Scotch tape, but I can never get that to work, and so what I do is I get another piece of copper tape and I tape it down with that. Make sure your positive lead on your LED is heading toward the positive side of the battery and the negative is heading toward the negative side of the battery. Now you get to test your circuit. You're going to put a battery in the corner and fold the circuit around it to make sure everything's good. If anything's not working, double check all your connections. And there you have it, paper circuit.